guys, and good morning. Today is our full day. And marami kayong pupuntahang destinations or tourist attractions here in Singapore. And then I'll join you guys with. I'm getting ready na lang din. And then I'm almost done. So, bye! See you later! Outfit check! We're on the way to Bugis Cube. Money exchange. And then after nun, saka na kami gagala. Gusto ko magawa ng outfit siya. Walking towards the Fort Canning Tree Tunnel. So yun yung famous na spot dito. And then maraming nagpipicture doon dahil sa kanyang aesthetic area. Pakita ko lang sa inyo later. Sis, how are you? How's the walk so far? Giving ba? Sis, giving ba yung walk?
Pagod.
Pagod siya eh. Kabisit-bisit. Paano yung bisit?
Eh, 300 meters sa lang para na. Ano hindi?
Guys, if you're going here sa Singapore, kailangan nyo mag-ready kasi marami-raming lakaran to. Pero kung mayaman naman kayo, pwede naman kayo mag-taxi or grab. Dikit. Merlion Park.
Tama, gamit ko ba te? Para ano? Saan ka di nakita?
Kita ang bag. Papunta na kami sa Merlion Park, guys. The infamous spot.
May araw na ba kayo?
Yeah, rabad-rabadoy. This line. Maxwell Food Center. We're just gonna eat because we haven't had dinner.